everyone, we're going to perform the indicator operation and leave our result in trigonometric form. It's a bit easier than you think. We're going to use de Moivre's theorem, and basically all that means is we're taking this 3 here, that's our n, and multiplying it by our 2 here. So our r happens to be 1. So we don't have anything there, so it's 1 to the power of 3 is just 1. So for our numerator, we're just going to get cosine of 6 theta plus I times sine of 6 theta. All right, now we're going to do the same thing for our denominator. Take this 2 and multiply it by 3. So that just is going to give us cosine of 6 theta plus I times sine of 6 theta. All right. And then this one we're going to multiply our 4. And that's going to give me cosine of 4 theta minus I sine of 4 theta. The problem with what I just did here on this second one is we have a negative. We're supposed to have a positive because our z is r times cosine of theta plus I sine of theta. So I can fix this. Instead of writing it this way, I'm going to write negative 4 and put the plus in. So what I'm going to do is write this as cosine of negative 4 theta plus I, so I changed it to plus, that's what we needed, sine of negative 4 theta. All right, and think about it, just to make sure you're understanding, cosine's an even function, so we do get cosine of 4 theta, and our sine is an odd function, so that means I can pull the negative out, and that's what we had originally. All right, but I need this plus here. All right. Now, we still have our numerator, so let's copy that down. We have cosine of 6 theta plus I times sine of 6 theta. There's your 6. All right. So basically, when you're multiplying z, let's call this z1, times z2, all you're doing is you're adding these when you multiply these. So when you add those, you're going to get cosine of 60 or 6 theta minus 4 theta, right? And then you just add those. That's by definition of these. So basically, of your complex numbers, this one's going to be I. It's plus, sorry. You're going to have plus I times sine of 6 theta minus 4 theta. Now this gives you cosine of 6 theta plus I times sine of 6 theta divided by cosine of 2 theta plus I sine of 2 theta. And the next step is this. When you're dividing these, that means you subtract. So we're going to take these 2 and subtract, and these 2. And that's going to give us cosine of 6 theta minus 2 theta plus I times sine of 6 theta minus 2 theta. All right, so basically we're going to leave this in trigonometric form, so all we have to do is simplify this. It's going to be cosine of 4 theta plus I times sine of 4 theta. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.